Hello food fans, I am at Burger King. Actually, I'm in the parking lot outside of Burger King. It's a big parking lot. There's a Walmart, an Old Time Pottery, and a lot of other smaller business places here. And I have an Impossible Whopper. That's what it says right there, Impossible. There it is. And I also have a Whopper. Better hold that with 2 hands. And I also have fries. Just eat those from the bag. And a medium drink. And a total bill, I had to go to the bank and withdraw most of my account. $14. $14.07. I had the 7 cents. Actually, I had the money with me. Well, let's taste test the Impossible Whopper first. It has some lettuce here. Get that before it falls off. And looks like a real hamburger, although it's too perfectly round. It looks good. It has onions, pickle, I guess it's lettuce and tomato, and the other vegetable is the meat of the sandwich. It tastes like a hamburger to me. It tastes very good. Sesame seed bun. That is very good. Let me compare the taste to my old friend the Whopper. I've had many Whoppers over the years. They double wrapped for this one. Sliced it in half. Why'd they do that? They probably thought I was going to share it with somebody, but I'm not. So, whoops. Some of the lettuce fell onto the floor. But we'll take a half a Whopper. I can't tell any difference in the taste. It tastes like a Whopper. The Whopper tastes like a Whopper, and the Impossible Whopper tastes like a Whopper. Good food. I would recommend the Impossible Whopper, except for the price, a little bit too costly. The Impossible Whopper cost, where's the number here? $5.59. But the Whopper costs more. $7.22. So that's because they sliced it in half, perhaps. Very good tasting hamburger. and a very big hamburger. I guess all fast food is a lot more expensive than it was when I was a kid. So are cars. The Whopper is an excellent tasting hamburger. Take the Impossible Whopper again, but first some French fries. Recently had my vehicle worked on. This van had power steering pump replaced. I drive down the road and I can make left turns okay, but it wouldn't make right turns. So I thought maybe I might need to make a right turn sometime. So I got it fixed. The Impossible Whopper with the noisy wrapper. This location does very big business because there's so many places to shop. Nashville is a city that's filled with mini malls and shopping centers. This is really a very good tasting sandwich. It does taste like meat. I cannot tell the difference. I definitely recommend the Impossible Whopper. Just get a coupon. They have coupons in a lot of mailings for different fast food outlets. And the Whopper would definitely be a meal for most people, or the Impossible Whopper. You're certainly getting plenty of vegetables when you eat an Impossible Whopper. I don't know what they're made out of. Let's see if I can show you the meat that's not meat. Looks like real meat. It tastes like real meat. And the lettuce keeps falling off. I would encourage people to eat more vegetables if you're not eating vegetables already. It is a big truck. If you have not tried the Impossible Whopper, try one at least. It might be the wave of the future, I don't know. Eat an Impossible Whopper while you're driving your Tesla. Have your virtual reality goggles on. And let your car drive itself down the street with artificial intelligence. Tomatoes are good. I think my garden is done for the year. There was a groundhog ate my watermelon and my tomatoes. But if it made him happy, I guess that's important. After I finish my meal, I've got to go shopping for groceries. And go trim some hedges. And put some air in one of my tires. I got the other three yesterday. I have to back in to position my right rear tire because the cord doesn't reach all the way. It's electric air pump. Burger King has Cokes. Some places have Pepsis, some places have Cokes. If you're trading stocks, Pepsi's symbol is PEP and Coke's symbol is KO. Either stock should do well over a 20-year period. Excuse the noise. 1/2 of a hamburger, a Whopper, is left. Show you what it looks like. I have no idea why they sliced that in two. It's a siren-equipped vehicle. We shall see what that is. You do hear a lot of sirens in Tennessee. I do. And there's the real meat. Looks the same as the Impossible. I'd say the Whopper is probably about the best tasting hamburger of the various food chains. Possibly the messiest. The most satisfying, well, the siren equipped vehicle is behind me. I can see it in my rear view mirror. Just sitting there, the blinking lights are not blinking. I wonder if someone in Burger King needed some assistance, or a couple of elderly people in there when I was in there. They have cars waiting in line for service. You can probably hear the engine of the, I don't know if that would be called an ambulance or exactly what it is. It's bigger than most ambulances, but I think it's some sort of ambulance. Last couple of bites of the Whopper. Very, very good. Excellent meal. More French fries and Cokes. What I'll do, I'll move the camera to where you can see that siren equipped vehicle. Thank you for watching.